Today I'm unboxing the Logitech Pro gaming headset. The company Blue does the voice for the headset. Here's a side box with a diagram of the headset and all the components. Here's the back of the box, says play to win. Here's the other side of the box. Here's the bottom of the box. It says it works with PC, PlayStation 4, Switch, Xbox One, and virtual reality. It's got a 2-year warranty and some warnings and some other specifications. Alright, so let's open it up. Break the tabs on the side. Slide it out of the box there. Alright, unfold that flap. Right here we have the headset. Got a nice chrome Logitech G on both sides. R for the right ear and L for the left ear. And the padding's memory foam. You can pull it out there. Stretch it out the other side. See what else is in the box. Alright, it looks like we got a USB to audio cable here. A Logitech bag here. Have our microphone inside the bag there. Have our audio cable with adjustable sound, scrolling wheel right there. And what looks to be an on and off button for the microphone right there. We have another audio cable with another button right here that you can press. What else is in the box? You have another set of right and left pads. Just some cardboard there. Have a Logitech sticker. You have a Logitech book here. The book is a thank you from Logitech. Here's just a safety booklet. Here we have the Logitech Pro X booklet here. Yep, there's the headset. There's the headset and all the parts. And then there's part 1 of putting it together. So it says first attach the microphone and then attach the audio cable, and then you can attach it to a split cable or to the USB converter and then plug it into the PC. So let's do that. Here's one of our options, the microphone cable and the speaker cable splitter. So let's plug in our microphone. It's bendy, so we can move it to wherever our desired position is. I'm going to attach the cable with the volume wheel. I'm going to attach the short end of the cable to the headset. And then the other end of the cable you can put into the USB converter right here. Or the audio splitter, that's your decision. You can also plug this directly into your gaming controller. Just plug it right into the bottom of the Xbox controller. Or such devices like your smartphone.
Just plug the USB into the computer.
What's nice is when you plug USB into the computer, Windows 10 will grab the drivers for the headset. Currently I'm talking into the headset. Also, the headphones sound better when the USB is plugged in. When I plugged the audio cable directly in, it didn't sound as good as when I plugged the USB in. The headphones also have some decent soundproofing, which is nice. I'm also recording this with my fan on high. It's really helpful that it doesn't pick up the noise from the headphones or any outside noise. It'll be real nice not to worry about any outside noises when recording.
That's about it for the Logitech Pro gaming headset. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.